Alright, so our crazy weather has begun again, and I'm not gonna leave my garage because lightning is like literally hitting houses like right in front of us. I mean, literally touching the ground. And I really don't want to get struck by lightning. And whoever that is on the bicycle, I'd be afraid as hell. But I'm sure we'll get some good glimpses here. Maybe here in the next few minutes, I'll just keep recording and I'll show my mouth so you guys can trip out. Yeah, why not? Get a little close. Oh, nice. Our camera getting focused. Jeez. Whoa. That is wicked. Love it. Come on, camera, get in focus. Cameras will not stay in focus. Oh, good God. It is insane. And there's no rain either, it's just all lightning and thunder. I am like really freaked out because I don't want to get hit by lightning, but I have to catch this on video. Wow. Oh, now we got rain. Now it's coming down. You can see the rain now. It's starting to pour. This stupid camera will not get in focus. There we go. So yeah, it's starting to rain again. There you go. Yeah, I'm afraid to get hit by lightning. I ain't going out there. My phone won't stay in focus. Good. Every time the lightning hits, it throws my focus off. Oh yeah, it's coming down now. Whoa. Don't go out there. Huh? I said don't go out there. Until you get hit by lightning. Oh my God. It's pouring. Damn. pouring now. Alright, it's starting to get wet. Whoa!
Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
Rate, comment, subscribe. Arizona monsoon weather. Gotta love it.